Papa. Mafi Kumawood now, so what be?
My friend of the but Kumawood will be back.
United Showbiz and Anana Mcbrown, the Empress one, or they and Sembitu just a Kumawood there, no quite what fini say Kumawood pass a location na ya could chest in India Bregana for and then the fans there. What face our time the pa na and on director Twumasi the two just say I also afi Kumawood pa and so GD say Kumawood ebe bounce back in no kwa say ade aye nyina na say ye be try as Kumawood ebe back na Ghana for yetimi asell your culture and your entertainment na through your movies no to the outside world no of course na Socrate so e dey nsem to dwa producer Socrate Sarfo also on dey stupidity any ignorance and ma Kumawood e ba from ajimisem ene nima yenim de entina ma Kumawood e ba from na wasi esua de na afi so no ye jan kwase asem bi eno ene kofa debate bebre ba spakia anod mensa bedu e de analysis bebre bu kwan ma men no e ya adwen ye director Kwaku Twumasi so kasai A+ so kasai yen hwe how our conversation nyina esi e koye
no mo wa ha intira na papa Mafi Kumawood now, so what be?
My friend of the but Kumawood will be back.
Kumawood will be back.
Ghana movie industry now because will up itself again.
We can't wait. I mean I can't wait. We can't wait.
Oh, there are some people in the industry. As long as they continue to be there, no, I know, say definitely. To them and they may come on. Now, my said the Ebano, a very secret chain, the Netin.
Wow.
Yeah.
So
I believe it.
Oh, okay. So, okay, Mr. Twumasi need us all.
Oh, well.
There be who not in some and to their can also.
And that's all.
And that's all.
You inquire, a miracle can happen.
A miracle can happen. We just say, said the net humanity and you can't ask you to mean yet. Whom me papa be emphasis so no. A hard jene kakra. Mr. Twumasi, me coupe ya Kumawood abedi and near what are my boy. Na yan share how wait me di hon komo.
All right.
That's a simple bi on ma. Yes, see no precope. Many years ago, now one day, obia in a sense that you come back. Moving away and now 3 days time we are enough for fraba. It me two car. Me koye me jume we are. Me ba bedroom cry no. And I don't know say another script. The next morning na me call. And Tessasi say, aye bibi e wo ho. Me enko down memory lane kakra. My fit location, meaning so swafi location. Na yem bisa ya ho say. Ye wa need aso say be ye. Yan hwa nneoma bia eto sini a ye de abawie ba bia ye duyin. Ansa na yakoba bia e benya anida so na free. Socrate who ye producer. I start free so.
Okay, o start free so.
Me start free Mr. Twumasi so. And I wo be chem na menye.
Oh, there be.
Me to afra say be boy na ye ka ye bi so asma wudwani.
No, no, no.
Honoring is for him.
Yes.
But discussion is for everybody right now. We a producer. A time pa niema bi na obetumi aka say. Me ma anya ne ye, wo anya ne ye, we anya ne nti na ne. Ye ka Kumawood asem ye a ye si trust.
Well, make I say, if I'll say it like it is.
Say it like it is.
Okay. Ignorance and stupidity.
On whose part?
On our part.
Our is now part
the
of
filmmakers.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't see now one two instances.
Well, and maybe you know, ignorance.
Ignorance and stupidity.
Yes. Ignorance no the fact say you started here near maybe a dear Jumani bar form. Ni nim. Ye nyina ye ba Jumani mono ye nya proper orientation. Say ye dear tsna say ni akire en say adwuma we no say ni sutie ni even oko drive trotro and I say taxi transport business u komu a yetimbeti ma kire say transport business there say ni ye no e bia about 3 a no asim ewia by this time no passengers ni hu wo because on your woman no was studying when say time bi o passengers ni ho into wo ka so wo fam wo be hye wo petrol kwa
okay
wo te mase into na manfo study a no mu into no komo yetimi kyerɛkyerɛ wo ba yen ba dwumani mu no one empenifo e beto wo mo no no mu use celluloid. They've been to training and ba no that training no they by force be. I can say I am the second person to can shoot to film with video. I am the second person. The first person I will release here Willie Akufo ni Richard H0t. Omo ye Zinabu.
Yeah.
And maybe Unconditional Love. That was 1988.
1988.
Mimi release media on 3rd May 1988. Omo release Zinabu 1st July 1987.
Wow.
Yes. Now, yeah.
Na ye nyu hu class be TV.
Oh, okay. Na mpanifo na wo ho no omo receive yen an kire yen say adwuma no said ye no say ne omo hu yen say riffraffs quote unquote.
Okay.
Enkwara bia omo ba be hadwe omo say de video so ye die enti si ye allow yen krampo amia ko yi wosini de mo no da bi
na mami sas penfo na omu wo no
yeah
na omo akwa adwuma na omo ye no
omo de no manya education no well enti no me say I try say nka me apply to NAFTI but I wasn't for me because me need the required qualification now more pe.
Oh, okay.
What am I say? Inti mia na me dey me call library ne mako read ne niema. Inti ye ba mu ne ye nyantete ye bia ye hu se adwuma no se de na na se de. Ye de sa takahye ne be fa mu. Etimi ba mu. A drew point bi na fe niema ensisi ye no.
Na mo ye.
And honor na ignorance ne e wo no.
E wo no.
What am I say? One, you can say your kind movie. What you are saying? I don't know what kind of movie is, but it's part of the film culture. Say, hey, be our release film be. I call rounds ni na every. What do? You can it. Nature say, what the back to home. What year free system no they are to home. Because every 5 years there is a new generation. Omun shares our film neda. Ombeba, the film will go through the rounds again. It will not make the same money a year, no, but you will still mop up.
Memo apostle Hanama Mr. Twumasi before I go to my other gentleman. Mr. Twumasi, Socrate, a producer, our chess system in Mupa. Me did say over to Socrate from age I walk a kind I said 1987, 88. 88 the minyasho sana adwuma no kra wa ben ho ana
na I started the production 87 but it took me 2 years and son I to marry because now me shoot VHS into tape 10 ya na so ko hwehwe bibia I mean it takes time time na enya hu sene so papa intino around that time.
Okay. Around that time now also we try to be a producer.
I did something.
That time now we try our first movie Murder in the City.
Murder in the City, yeah.
87.
Yeah.
Now it me about
by Babantumi Anton kese because then no na financial year or the bear promotion near the end.
Oh, okay.
Auntie Emma and Yamana Uncle said them a pen.
Open. Now Socrate say the part of producers no entina industry no akofom
boss Michelle and I'm happy to be here with you because papa we there I'm say started yache and so many things so many waters have gone under the bridge they all kind of many yard by quite be so no say the transition of moving from selling of CDs to online sales no e hono na yanye fast enough and Emma Etimiko form. And if you look at Kumawood, we came with our own style. Okay. Shooting movie our own way. And it was selling. Yeah. Because you buy and started say, no brofusem. But you turn the coach, you will say the people love it for what we are doing. And you know, Sana Corner.
Socrate security, as I the being common.
Well, we are on the perception about how what happened then. Yeah. But I think say we are now wasting now to mean Tonwa. How would you go back?
We should.
Yeah. But maybe Pacho maybe Pacho is Socrate Minchano. And come on, and then Ushen common from baby a Socrate Kasa, ever seems that you may see the Iswa. Nessa, and she say, Bino, and Chaye from Socrate, time of
ignorance. And American ignorance.
True, say, and shed you man suye.
And then transition from Piano call to CD or CD to pen drive.
We are not shooting movies at all. Okay. Because when you shoot, you can't sell.
Where are you selling it?
Sanity.
There are avenues, but you are
sanity. That is why I'm advocating say, Anka Omo government in the Mremu no one yet up on my where we can upload for people to download.
Okay, before we get there, let me go to my gentleman here. Yeah, movie na Arnold.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, mamo. Yeah, na dia magana for. What should be?
Yeah.
What follow as a journalist? What follow how a movie? Sorry, I form. We are basing what we are saying right now from our producer Socrate.
Yeah.
On my tweet, we.
Ignorance
and stupidity. Na kami peni china.
Nana, the collapse of Kumawood need there. As a beer one on any reason. Because I remember I said 2020 I called to say doom so. Last year, bigger quiz class say Jakuna Muyini film and the mind dash collapse here. Who else? Frank Naro say a producers, directors, a fault. Hotel, son of my friend.
Hotel, Obolo.
And also last year, I say a more actors, no more arrogance, and a man collapse here. So Ushemwa, almost every player Biano, I want one reason Tia Kumawood collapse here. I'm not surprised that Sarfo any Mr. Twumasi so varying opinions as to the man collapse here. I say ignorance and stupidity. Or also say a
transition.
No. Omunina are right. Omunina are right because the attorney say Mubayebi. The way na mama yinije. The way na mo to me elevating the general film industry, not only Kumawood, because over Kaya before more emergency no Nigeria for no take over. They were in charge until Kumawood buy their attention buy into our industry. No, there's little doubt about impact Kumawood buy. Now, Nana, film industry, your component, funding, we are pre-production, production and kasa. Post-production, marketing, and distribution. Kumawood, more success in our businessmen no move so funding any problem because it will be say marketers instead of focusing on marketing, almost some big kind of business no. So they were competing with original producers
and actors also producing
and also produce customer movies. So there was no problem with funding. Pre-production, of course, your challenge is that when it comes to the quality. But regardless of the quality, no can Ghana for complaining. Let's still here patronize movies. No. Now there was a market. I mean, Sarfo will tell you. Say there was a big market for Kumawood movies. Now, I can agree with Mr. Twumasi Kakra when he talks about how a more embracing digital system, not faster.
Yeah.
Sarfo has his own opinion, but that's the reality. Because it do baby no not online move. But then you guys were stuck. You could exactly.
Any part one and two.
Arnold, can I also give you information quickly?
Oh, go ahead.
Well, say Nintra me agree with transition to online. No, for now, no. the collapse no. A collapse here before the online no. And until I am not. So if we are trying to find solution, no one pick the facts, no chronological facts now.
And no
solution be.
Okay, mean Chawano. And into America say you may cry a team and there's a problem, no. It has been there.
Yes.
And it looks like we are not ready to find a solution.
Because everybody is jumping the gun. You see, you must put the identity in the right perspective. Say, we see it, and we see it, and we see it. A Holland and nobody
see it. Say a solution. So tell us exactly this is here.
Okay. Yeah, Beba. You were on the floor and think of our no see.
So, I mean, a quick comparison way. Okay, Nigeria, apart from Nollywood, no, a huge, no. Yoruba industry, no, so a very huge. Now, what the Yoruba people have over here in Kumawood for, no, the fact that more in busy, they get out fast. It's the YouTube, what do you call it? Twitter, Yoruba for no article exactly because shifts in the buy and they were already there, more in busy in a quick, and that's how come Yoruba industry, no, a big. You know, quick. It's the little of example reason there. Baby, we have one reason as to how Kumawood know at all from. So if you persist standing there, then we go and pick the components of filmmaking bill from funding to pre-production, production, post-production, and find a market for it. See, you know when elements when you are there, then skits are the best.
Okay. Quick one. Say me ma omo ye zinabono. Me about Smith. And also say me money credits for ratings. You know.
He was also there.
Yeah, but not that team. William Akufu and Richard H0t for Zinabono, not come team. No. Yeah.
Okay. And now I can't come out with you and Mijidi so be any of you ever come about it because Kumawood was holding up. Ye Jumea ye pa entertainment. We could be our who be beautiful for. Come here, Brazo Peja, sir. No boo so cancer media seminar may be so about.
Minya be so beautiful.
We name is Assam Grubio. Now come with Assam. Oh, there we are the Casa.
There's a Nasana.
Minya Nas, but because you wanted to contribute.
Well, answer your friends saying, I know that can't. I know some can.
I know that can't the officer who can. Mr. Twumasi say transition. And I am smart. You who you know not to say avenue na associate from there. And Socrate so episode say on also maybe a free buy you know. We are far formal training and it has all put together affecting baby a Gina say yenko back to Mr. Twumasi time and ejuma no ejina na answer pa no. Socrate, would you believe say and would you agree with me say sad time night or more we producers who don't know a businessman.
Yes. You see, in Ghana as we speak,
no
film production one after. You need any formal system. If you want to be